Hello and welcome to this short video series around Valo Modern. In this video, we'll talk about the Valo base intranet as well as the basics of Valo. Valo Intranet is a solution part of the Valo digital workplace that allows you to easily communicate with your employees. Valo sits directly inside SharePoint, part of your Office 365 digital workplace. So from wherever you are inside Valo, you always have access to all of the rest of your Office 365 applications. I will start this video going from the top to the bottom and cover all of the features included part of the base Valo intranet. So the navigation. Valo has a beautiful navigation in the form of a mega menu that not only allows you to display your links, but also have different call to actions for, like, say, important events or any relevant information that you want to highlight for your employees. The mega menu is also fully security trimmed, so people only see what they have access to see. So you don't run into problems where people see stuff they shouldn't, they click on it, and then they get an access denied. The call to action image is fully optional. As you can see, you can also have a mega menu without the call to action. One of the big trends around intranets is also personalization. And with Valo, every employee has their own My Tools. So first of all, let me go to Edit My Tools. So here on the left, under our links, those are the links that the Intranet Manager pre-created for all employees in the organization. Some of them can be forced as this one. Some of them can be optional. So like say you have 50 or so applications that people work with inside the organization. People can go and say, okay, I don't need AutoCAD anymore, but I do want to have Basecamp as part of my links. I'll click on stop editing, and now wherever I am, part of the Valo digital workplace, I have access to this quick link. I can also add my own custom link because every employee is unique. They all work with different partners, with different tools. So as a user, I can go inside, add a new link, and for now, I'll just call it a Valo partner website. I'll do valointranet.com. And the category, I don't have any right now, but I'll just create a new one called partners. I will say that I want to open this link in a new window. I will add it, and then the next time I refresh the page, it will be there. Moving forward, first thing I see on the page is the highlighted news. Those are really the most important news inside the organization, so I can see the latest ones. Also, those are targeted to me. What Valo allows you to do is to target certain news to employees by any user profile property. So by department, by city, by country, and things like that. So really you can make sure that when each employee goes to your intranet, they only see stuff that is relevant to them. Under the news, I also have another set of quick links, which those are the same for everybody inside the organization. And those are really the most popular links that people need, such as holiday applications, event hub, new employee tool pack, healthcare, and really the most common tools. Scrolling lower on the page a bit, I have different set of news, and again, those can be filtered and targeted to certain employees. So right here, I see all of the global news, so all of the news that apply to all the organization. I could have another widget with local news, so only the news that apply to my city, for example. We also have events, so if I go look at the events, I can see all of the upcoming events. Once I click on an event, I can add it to my calendar, I can see information, I can click to see all events to see all of the upcoming events in the organization. Going down a bit lower, Valo also includes an integration with Delve blogs. Imagine instead of getting an email every Monday with the update from the CEO or the monthly newsletter that the company does, all of this content could be put inside of Delve and showcased inside of the intranet. So that communication, that knowledge is not lost inside people's mailboxes anymore. It becomes part of a bigger knowledge management system, and all of it gets indexed by Microsoft Search. So really, a new employee that joins the company can still be able to find stuff that was shared a few weeks ago. Valo also makes it easy to showcase people, whether it's new employees or people that did something great for the community or for their company. So we allow you to easily showcase them, introduce them to everybody, and make employee recognition easy for enterprises. Wherever you go inside Valo, you also have access to the footer. So you just click on it, and then you can customize the footer with links to social media, locations, have a world clock, and any other information that you find pertinent to have inside the footer. Let's go to a page, let's go to what we do, and I want to show you the editing experience as well really quickly. If I want to edit a page, simply click on edit if I have the rights to, of course, and Valo makes it super easy to edit pages, create content, and things like that. So if you know how to use Word or PowerPoint, you're able to edit content inside of Valo. Let's say I want to add a new section here. I want to make it 1/3 right column. Here I want to have a map. So let me search for Bing Maps. And I want to have Montreal. Perfect. And here I want to add a file viewer, for example. So I can select a file that I have or select a file from my OneDrive, and it will be displayed in there. And you really have access to all of the Office 365 web products such as Yammer, Countdown Timer, Power Apps, Forms, Video, Power BI, as well as all of the Valo custom ones. So because Valo sits on top of SharePoint Online Modern, you get 100% of the innovation that Microsoft ships, as well as 100% of the value that Valo adds on top of Office 365. So you really get the best of both worlds. This is it for this short video. However, throughout all of the other videos in this playlist, you'll really be able to see what Valo Digital Workplace can do to make communication easier and better inside your organization. Thank you very much for watching this video, and remember that if you ever have any questions or want to get a personalized demo, reach out to us at hello@valointranet.com or fill out the form on our website at www.valointranet.com.